In this video, you will learn how to add a Microsoft certificate to LinkedIn. First, log into your LinkedIn account, go to LinkedIn, then sign in using your credentials. Go to your profile, click on your profile picture or name to open your profile page. Scroll to the licenses and certificates section. If you do not see it, click Add Profile section. Recommended, add licenses and certificates. Click the plus button. This will open a form and add new certificates. Fill in the certificate details, such as your name, enter your full certificate title, such as Microsoft Certificate. Or, issued organization, type Microsoft and select Official Microsoft page. Your issue date, add the month and the year that you were issued. Credential ID, enter if available, and credential URL, paste the certificate link from Microsoft Learn profile or Creditly. Click Save. Your Microsoft certificate will now appear in your LinkedIn profile under Licenses and Certificates. Now you know how to add Microsoft certifications to LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.